Cookies. That's an intro.
Is there a baking aisle?
Milk chocolate.
Alright,
Sugar,
flour,
morsels,
eggs,
vanilla, butter,
morsels.
baking soda. This is a cookie. No measuring cups. Oh,
They're
well,
illegal.
Welcome to our next edition of Derek and James Cook Stuff Without Measuring Cups or Recipes. There is a recipe on the back of this bag. We will not be looking at it. We know that these are the ingredients because we did look at the back of the bag. But we did not look at how much go in each one. There's a lot of people over across the street where our bosses are, and so they're in for a treat
So
today.
we'll see. Can we make it? Is this a third cooking video?
Yes,
Can we make it 3 cooking videos without getting fired?
3.
Or having food poisoning?
Part 3. There can be food poisoning in this. Maybe the eggs. Salmonella. Cook your
Alright,
eggs.
beat the eggs first? Oh, I should beat the eggs. I go 3
You're
eggs.
supposed to add flour before eggs?
Like, wash. You know, like this one-handed. Pop. Pop. Bam. We're professionals on this show.
Flour. I'm thinking like half a stick.
Half a stick.
What? You thinking more?
I don't know. Oh, there's eggshell in here. Gross stuff.
Mmm.
These eggs do not look healthy.
My wife Rachel doesn't care about that raw egg deal.
She just eats raw eggs.
Yeah.
That's gross.
Yeah. It's like a lot of brown sugar, huh?
Oh my gosh.
That's not right?
That's so much. I don't know.
Is there supposed to be salt in these?
Yeah. Be the salt. Be salt.
Be salt.
Okay, is that right now? Try it.
Baking soda. I know you're not supposed to put a ton of this stuff.
Yeah, that stuff's, yeah. I might put more than half a stick.
Here's half, so you can put a stick and a half. This does not seem right. This is gonna be our worst cooking video yet. Kylie Banks actually gave us this idea. It does not look good yet. It's a work in progress. Can we just put this whole thing in the microwave? Oh well. It doesn't seem, I'm about to get in there with my hands. We've already preheated the oven.
Yeah, we thought ahead this time.
375 is what we are guessing. Like essential oils. Can we add some water maybe?
I don't know how much baking soda to add to stuff. That's probably good. Some people laughed in our faces when we said cooking without recipes or measuring utensils.
You will see.
You know what we said? Psh, look at all that sugar.
Wine out of water.
Mash, 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 mash.
I got a ball. It looks like a big cookie. Should I make a cookie cake, like one big cookie? I don't know what's going on here. This is gonna be terrible. Alright, well.
Also, if anyone is looking to buy a present for me, I love Fig Newtons.
What do you think?
That looks like cookie dough.
It looks like cookie dough.
Yeah, I don't know how mine's doing. We'll find out. I don't know if it's getting better or getting worse.
Do not eat raw eggs. All right, it's time to put some of these babies out on a tray.
I mean, that looks like cookie dough, you know?
Somebody really does need to think about giving us a cooking show or
A
something.
raise.
Melt your butter first, children.
Protein.
Protein cookies.
Some protein. Oh, it's so sticky. Uh-oh. Where did you keep finding these utensils at?
You had an extra pair of gloves this whole time.
That's gonna be a big cookie.
Should we have sprayed these pans? Or is that with the parchment
I think
paper?
that's what the parchment paper is. Really?
I don't know. You know what the heck? Cookies are exhausting. That's a big cookie.
Do you think you can make better cookies than us? Well, first off, you're wrong. Second off, bro, challenge us to a cook-off. We'll show up. Also, you should drop in the comments what you think we should cook next.
This video started off as like, this is gonna be the worst thing ever, and then it went to like, this might not be that bad, and now it's back to like, these are gonna be pretty bad.
I'm pretty sure taste is like 70%. Except for oysters, I love those things. They do not smell good.
Oysters.
Yeah, I love raw oysters.
It's like Mexican restaurants aren't really known for their catfish.
How many chocolate chips do you think I can get in a row in my mouth?
One.
Oh, shoot.
Zero.
That doesn't count.
You made one.
Oh, round of two.
One.
You got it? Shoot,
Two.
you beat me.
Three.
Oh,
Three.
and I puked everywhere. All right, everybody. This is how they look so far. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad.
Presentation is everything, kids.
We're getting there.
Ghost. My sons, you have done it.
Oh.
Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong with those.
So this is what mine look like. It looks like they have ants that ate through them all.
Termites. This is episode 3 of James and Derek Cook Without Recipes or Measurements. First was a bread video, second was a pizza. Third is a cookie video brought to you by Kylie Banks' suggestion. She suggested cookies while we were at Walmart today, put all the way around. Which do you vote for? Site A or B? We got one A.
One A.
Becca?
I also vote A.
One,
A.
2 A's.
That one looks like grits.
Okay.
So I'm probably
3A.
A.
A.
I'm going A. That is a,
I need
that's
that
a
one, Jesse.
muffin cookie.
Okay. Right here. Lisa?
A.
Jim?
A.
A.
Wait a minute, which one are you pointing at?
This is B.
This is
Oh,
B.
B.
So we got one B.
Okay.
Hey.
Hey.
Maybe half there.
They smell good. They do smell nice. That's a good
Okay, yeah.
Just eat it.
Taste.
Oh. It's okay.
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 Becca?
I can't tell
Skip,
you what I'm
Becca.
feeling.
Is that a good thing?
No, I don't like it.
All right.
Aw.
Nathan.
I was pretty honest with the pizza, and I feel like I really put it down. But I don't think the cookies are bad.
Hey.
Steve.
I think I like it.
Oh,
Steve
going
in
back for
second.
seconds. Let's go.
Craig.
Yeah, I'm thumbs up on it because it was crunchy on the outside, but it's chewy on the inside.
Yeah.
Craig is a good descriptor.
Okay, okay.
Texture-wise, it's good.
Lisa.
I really like it because it's not overbaked.
Okay.
Mm.
Really, it's good.
Jim.
I give it a C+. I love the chocolate.
C plus. Hey, the chocolate. I did have a bag of that.
Tim.
It's not the best cookie I've ever had, but it's not the worst.
I'm a little worried about this one.
That's
I bet this is a
Oh, you
James.
want to hold one?
My things are always thicker.
How much flour did you use?
We just said we don't worry about ingredients. We just cook from our hearts.
Is this one stuffed crust?
Stuffed crust cookies. All right, Angel, give us
I
your.
love the callback to
We haven't even eaten it yet.
It's fluffy.
Don't be scared.
Fluffy.
Oh, what? You can't taste
It
that.
smells like a muffin.
You didn't get a chocolate chip. Oh
Tastes
no.
like a muffin.
Tastes like a muffin. Becca.
I like the first one better.
Oh yeah, we'll go ahead and do that. Angel, A or B?
Hold on. Sorry.
Okay, we'll come back to Angel. Nathan.
No, it tastes interesting. Not really. Not really a cookie. More, yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it's
Bread.
kinda weird. Bready
Pizza.
Cookie.
A or B? One or two?
Not like A.
That doesn't sound very enthusiastic.
I don't feel bad.
Steve.
Putting down a mood. Yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Definitely A.
You can go back for a second one.
No.
Craig.
This is a chocolate chip biscuit,
Look
and the taste is okay. I'm definitely going with A.
Okay, Lisa.
So it's very bland.
Mm.
It's fluffy and it looks
Happy.
like it should taste better than it is.
There's a lot.
So,
There's a lot of eggs in there.
yeah.
So
One with A.
We'll
It's a
explain.
protein.
One with A.
It is protein.
It's stuffed crust, man.
Jim?
There's stuff you don't.
Okay, I love the design of it.
Okay.
But I definitely like the taste of this one much better.
Let's go for the sweet Tim Lemons.
Peanut
If,
Springs.
for those of you watching at home, it truly smells like a muffin. A is definitely a better cookie, tasty-wise, and B is not as bad as I thought, but it's decent. I'd say the B is a D, and the A is a C or a B.
I like that.
So,
I concur.
you want to?
You got
A
it.
was mine, so I win.
Yeah.
Do you just do these challenges to keep James'
No.
blood?
Have you ever
Have you lost?
Yeah, this is the first cookie I've ever cooked. This is the first cookie I've ever baked.
We
And
tied
so-
on bread. We did. Sorry, keep going.
So I win this round. You guys leave suggestions in the comments on what we should cook next.
Yeah.
We'll have another cooking video.
0-2.
Something
No.
else.
0-2 and
We'll
1.
leave these here.
Soccer rules.
Hey, that's just good very